Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Palantir Technologies INC. Now I've been looking a couple of videos on this stock and people are talking about fundamentals and how good this company is and the kind of future this company has. So everything has been going on and you will probably see huge number of views over there. But I just simply want to ask a couple of questions that will definitely let you think that whether you're consuming the right kind of thing or you're perceiving the right kind of thing in a correct manner or not. That is up to you. So let us discuss about the trend of Palantir Technologies INC. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, as I was telling you that a couple of videos have been watched on Palantir Technologies and they're talking about the profit or the cash flows and the kind of positive cash flows they have on their books. But the problem is the cash flow will take time to get in, and in a similar manner it will take time to get out until and unless you are doing some mischievous thing. So the cash flow even available in 2021 and from the highs of 2021 where the stock has started falling. So the problem is you have something on your books or fundamentals or something which will help you to find out a good stock, but fundamental will never do one thing, is where to actually get the trend and what should be a probable or a good buying zone. That's what you can see charts. If you're completely talking about fundamentals in 2021 and from its high, this company has good fundamental, you can purchase this stock. Yes, you do. Then what do you say about this 1.5 year of slide on the downside? Okay, market does not work like that. And if you completely depend on fundamentals, I do work with fundamentals, I do work with technicals. That's why it's better to have a mix of it rather than only believing in something that let us see that how good the company is and this is the price. Market is something, if market is not in a mood to buy something, it doesn't matter how good or how the quality of that particular stock. Market will simply throw it out until and unless that excessiveness in the market will be softened, and then you will see a gradual recovery. And this happens every time, and it does not go with the quality of stock. When market comes to punish the stock, it will get punished and it will punish each and everything which comes in its way. So if you're talking about the trend, okay, that's why trend is important. If you're talking about the trend, you simply know how the stock has been moving and what are the risks that is associated with this particular trend, right? In which case I have made a video a couple of days ago where I've talked about the risk, and I will definitely talk about the risk in this video as well, because the kind of market we are into, levels are not holding, and that's the big problem. That's the definite problem we have here. So please do not go below 9.63. It doesn't matter how good the fundamental of the stock is right now. Market is in no mood until and unless you will buy each and every share from the market and you suck on all the liquidity or all the stocks available in the free market. If you can do that, then obviously this video is not for you. But if you can't, and if you think that I am purchasing 10 shares or 100 shares or 1000 shares of this particular stock and you are done with that and market should move higher, then this is a perception. This is purely a mental perception and this does not work in the market. As far as the trend is concerned, you have 9.63 on the downside. This is your strict stop loss. This may jump back, and you have a range in front of you, $20 and $23. There is a possibility that the stock may jump back like this, okay, from the lows of 9.5 to the highs of, or in between the range $20 and $23. But it does not make any sense, because for the trend, or to get a notion that the trend is changing, the stock must respect all the levels till $29, and if it moves beyond $29 or $30, then we can think about that trend stabilization. Right now, this is not at all in a mood to go higher, and below 9.63, better not to hold any position below the stop loss level, because things can get from bad to worse, and in long term fundamental will definitely help you, but in short term, when you're dealing with price, do not think, when things are crazy, market moves like crazy, and even this level will surprise you, or the low that the stock will make. Hopefully, if the market is done with the correction, then this is the low we have here. But do we have the confidence? Does anybody have the confidence to buy at this particular stock? Yes, she can take the decision and do it. And if the market surprises you on the upside, you have $20 and $23. But if it surprises you on the downside, nobody knows the ultimate low which the stock is going to make. So this is our responsibility. Whomsoever invest in any XYZ stock, that is their responsibility to take care of their principal amount which they have invested. This is the end of the video.